Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best above-ground pool vacuums available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for robotic cleaners or handheld vacuums, we've got something for everyone. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the Cordless rechargeable pool vacuum. This lightweight handheld cleaner is perfect for smaller pools, hot tubs, and spas. With a weight of only 2.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. And its 4-section aluminum pole extends up to 7.2 feet, making it ideal for reaching those hard-to-clean corners. The pool vacuum features a durable mesh filter that traps particles as small as 0.5 millimeter, ensuring crystal clear water. Its high-efficiency motor delivers 8 gallons per minute of suction power, effortlessly removing sand, debris, and even small stones. The 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it reliable for thorough cleaning sessions. Plus, the intelligent auto shutoff feature prevents motor overheating, which adds to its longevity. While this vacuum shines in portability and ease of use. It's best suited for compact cleaning needs rather than larger pools. If you're someone who wants a quick, hassle-free solution for your spa or hot tub, the is worth considering. However, its limited suction power might not be ideal for heavier debris or larger above-ground pools. Pros include its lightweight design and extended reach, but it lacks advanced filtration compared to other units in this lineup. At number 4, we have the Sillaman Pool Vacuum for above-ground pools. This handheld vacuum offers impressive cleaning performance with its 120 micrometer precision filtration system, capable of trapping both microscopic particles like sand and larger debris like leaves. The triple filtration technology ensures your pool water remains clean and clog-free, boosting overall efficiency by 40%. The Sillaman vacuum is powered by a 4,500 mAh lithium battery, delivering up to 90 minutes of runtime. Its turbine motor generates strong suction at 10 gallons per minute, making it ideal for maintaining pool cleanliness year-round, even in extreme temperatures ranging from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The aluminum tubes extend from 3.3 feet to 7.2 feet, allowing you to reach pool edges, stairs, and corners with ease. While it excels in filtration and suction, this vacuum is heavier than other handheld options, weighing 6.74 pounds. It's also better suited for small to medium-sized pools rather than larger setups. If you're looking for a versatile handheld vacuum with professional-grade cleaning capabilities, the Silliman is a fantastic choice. Pros include its robust filtration and year-round usability, but its weight and limited reach might be drawbacks for some users. Coming in at number 3 is the Winnie Pool Cleaner 2025 upgrade. This robotic pool cleaner is designed for flat or gently sloped pools up to 645 square feet, making it perfect for above-ground setups. It boasts a dual-stage filtration system that traps fine silt, sand, and leaves with 50% more efficiency compared to standard models. The Winnie Cleaner features a high-speed motor and dual scrubbing scrapers, ensuring a deep clean every time. It offers 75 minutes of runtime on a single charge and docks automatically when the battery is low, providing a hands-free cleaning experience. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to retrieve and store, while the transparent blue casing gives it a modern, sleek look. While the Winnie excels in filtration and ease of use, it falls short in runtime compared to higher-ranked models. Additionally, its limited compatibility with pools that have steep inclines or stairs can be a drawback. If you're looking for a budget-friendly robotic cleaner for small to medium-sized pools, the Winnie is a solid option. Pros include its advanced filtration and lightweight design, but its runtime and incline limitations are worth considering. At number 2, we have the Pondi X1 Robotic Pool Vacuum. This versatile cleaner is designed for both above-ground and flat-bottom in-ground pools up to 850 square feet. It features dual motors, dual suction ports, and brushes that power through dirt, debris, leaves, and even small stones, leaving your pool spotless. With an impressive runtime of 120 minutes and a rapid recharge time of just 2.5 hours, the Pondi X1 stands out in terms of efficiency. It automatically parks itself by the pool wall when cleaning is complete, making retrieval effortless. The hydrodynamic design and advanced filtration system reduce energy consumption while maintaining powerful suction. The Pondi X1 offers exceptional cleaning performance for mid-sized pools, but it lacks wall climbing capabilities and is not suitable for pools with steep inclines. If you're looking for a reliable robotic cleaner with long battery life and fast recharge, this is an excellent choice. Pros include its dual motor design and extended runtime, while cons include its limited adaptability to non-flat surfaces. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Abnemen Pool Vacuum. This robotic cleaner is a powerhouse, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge and covering pools as large as 2,000 square feet. Equipped with Sonar Nav Pro Smart Navigation, it maps out efficient cleaning paths without repetition, making it ideal for both above-ground and in-ground pools. The Abnemen cleaner features a 180W motor and a filtration capacity of 4,800 gallons per hour, removing dirt, leaves, and sand with ease. Its reinforced PVC brushes handle debris across various surfaces, and it can climb inclines up to 45 degrees, although it's not suitable for stairs. The LED indicators provide real-time updates on battery status, ensuring you're always informed. This vacuum excels in performance, coverage, and ease of use, making it the perfect choice for large pools. While it's on the heavier side at 18.91 pounds, its robust features more than justify the weight. Pros include its extended runtime, smart navigation, and powerful filtration, while cons include its inability to clean stairs. If you're looking for the ultimate pool vacuum, the Abnemen is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect above-ground pool vacuum for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which product you're considering, or if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.